What's going on, guys? Welcome back to my channel. We're heading over to my dad's house right now. The wheels for the mini truck finally got here a couple days ago, and yesterday my dad got the tires mounted. So we're gonna be putting those on the mini truck, and we're gonna be installing the drop finally. So let's head over there. All right, this is the drop we're installing. It's a Beltec. Here's the spindles. If I can take them out. And the drop blocks for the back, and all 4 shocks. This thing is gonna look sick. I'll show y'all the wheels in a second. Alright guys, these are the wheels we putting on the mini truck. 15 by 10s, reverse. I don't know if you can see that lip. I think it's crazy. And we went with the 205 55 15 Kumos, and these are actually Luxors. It comes with these knockoffs, kind of like the Zenith style, but I don't think we're gonna put those on. I think we're gonna keep the 3-ways on it. I can't wait. Let's get started. Nah, go over there.
Huh?
Nah, go over there. Don't look over here. Huh? I seen you glancing over here. Hey, I thought you were working over there.
I am. I got to take a break. I cut myself.
What?
Alright guys, we're all finished. We put the spindles in the front and the 3-inch blocks in the back. I don't know if you can see them or not. Yeah, there they go. And then the 15 by 10s. This thing looks sick. What y'all think? But we ran into one issue. the cylinders are too low and they're rubbing on the ground. But we already had the 8-inch cylinders and the new sleeves, so we're gonna head over to Eloy's and hopefully he can hook us up, because we can't even drive it right now. But I love the stance.
A few moments later.
Alright guys, I wasn't able to finish recording yesterday because we ran into some issues on the way taking it to Eloy shot. We ended up breaking the 12-inch cylinders off. They were so low to the ground. I don't know if you can see, but Eloy hooked it up. He ended up welding the new 8-inch cylinders on and actually bringing up this bar right here where where the pump is at, and he ended up twisting the pump sideways. I think it looks way better now, and we ended up putting the rope pan on. We still got to weld it on and mold it, but that'll be whenever it gets painted. But I love the look of it now. You think we should go an inch lower or no? Ari, what are you doing? Do not drop my jacket. But overall, I like the look. I think it's sick. They're poking out. Let me lift up the bed. Ari, what are you doing? And you can see down here, Eloy put the 8-inch cylinders, so it doesn't lift up as high. It actually goes up higher than this, but the rope pan's hitting right now. And he tilted, well, he rotated the pump sideways now. We still got to reroute all the hoses, get some different hoses and stuff like that. But this thing is sick. The wheels. Ari loves the truck. I'm just gonna throw my jacket out of the truck. See if there's some better lighting over here. But that's it for this video, guys. It didn't go as smooth as planned, but I hope y'all liked it. There's more upgrades coming for this truck for sure, so stay tuned for those videos. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you next time.